Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So in this guide video, I will be showing you how to add Spotify music on Snapchat story. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let us get started. So in order to share a Spotify music on Snapchat, now first of all you have to open your Spotify. So here the interface kind of look like this. So what you have to do next is you have to select the music that you want to add it on your Snapchat story. Now once you tap on or once you play this particular song, the interface kind of look like this, and on this following page what you have to do is right on top on the upper right corner there you can see a three dot icon. Just simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on the three dot icon, there you can see multiple options. Now on the fourth option there you can see share. Simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on it, now right at the bottom on the left hand side corner there you can see Snapchat. Just tap on it. Now here as you can see that as soon as you select the song, and on the other page you can see you have directly landed inside Snapchat application. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on the send button which is on the lower right corner. Now as you can see that on the other page there you have a list of options, and right on top there you can see my story. Just tap on it. And once you're done, simply tap on the arrow icon which is right at the bottom on the lower right corner. Now here as you can see that the music has been added on my Snapchat story. Now this is how you can add Spotify music on Snapchat story. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.